This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for September 12th, 2023. It's currently July 17th, 2023, 4:46 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file for the September 12th reading was created on July 7th, 2023 at 2:22 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a pretty mixed day, guys. There's a cross-reading congruency here between the 1 month and the daily here with the Dominion card, where we have price swings that'll really stand out towards the early part of the afternoon. But it's a mixed theme card where we decline from resistance to support, reverse, go all the way back to resistance, reverse, go all the way back to support. Behavior around the highest higher rally that offers opportunity to open up a short position on probably a multi-day scale. Behavior around the low, so we have a nullified devil card indicating that there's a fake out or shakeout, but the chart behavior will somehow be counterbalanced or nullified. I'm advised to trade around a notable move that'll stand out on a one-day chart. We probably open lower in the pre-market at an important trough. There's a peak or crest that forms around the open, a near overbought peak or crest that forms around the pre-market or around the open, and we sell off from that pretty notably. It's a brief peak that's easily missed, followed by a decline through multiple support levels to a trough around 10 o'clock, and then we have a rally into a crest or peak somewhere between 10 and 12 o'clock. We may see a crest twice or a high twice here, but we see it at least once, and we sell off from the crest down to and through support. We do a U-shaped reversal, come back and reuse it as support. A bit of a rally around 11 o'clock, ends with a decline starting around 11:15, 11:20. Declining into key support around 12 o'clock, where we rotate sideways before a rally commences around 12:15, 12:10. And it's a notable move taking us to, there's both a peak and a trough midday. So we go from a trough to a peak, pretty quick swing. A peak around 12:30, and then a trough around 1:45, followed by another peak around 2:25-ish. And these will be big moves. It'll be like really distinct price swings in here, with another high there and a peak or crest there around 225-ish. Some volatility as we enter into the last hour, where we'll see in the last hour both a notable move from through multiple support levels and a big move out of oversold territory to the upside. But it looks like we're bound by a range there around the close. We likely finished to the upside for the day based on what I'm seeing here with the cards. And then the sneak preview for the 12th looks like we have another opportunity at a lowest low or a lowest low thus far there on the 13th. And we'll get into that in more detail, but there'll be opportunity there if you open up a short position at this peak or crest. I'd say first there's a brief peak that's easily missed, followed by a decline through multiple support levels into a rally into a peak or crest somewhere between 10 and 12, possibly twice, but probably closer to 10 to 11. In any case, there's a high in there that we sell down to and through support, do a U-shaped reversal and come back and reuse that as support. And then there's a bit of a rally into a peak or crest. The rally into that peak or crest after that chart behavior that I just described, the rally into that peak or crest is where you can open up a short position. You can close that short position at a trough there around 145-ish in the midst of price swings. And then you could open up another short position at a peak or crest around 215, 225. You hold that short position to sell in the midst of a decline here first thing in the morning on the 13th. And that's the S&P 500 for the 12th of September. Guys, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so and you like this channel. It really helps out the channel. And as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You should be following the rule of karma every time you profit, guys. It's the only fair way to follow through on the rule of karma for the channel. We're doing the work every single day, so we should see a little bit of that return to us for giving this information away freely. And the way that you do that is on our website, Tarot for Traders. We're expecting that people are donating 5% of the profits that they make from the information on this channel forward to one of these charities, and 5% of the profits back to the channel here to help support the channel. That leaves you at 90% of the money. Make sure to spend that money out of love, and as long as you follow those rules, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel. Don't get it shut off by being one of those people who doesn't follow it. Be an angel investor, invest and follow the rule of karma, and be somebody's angel, be my angel, and be an angel to yourself and your soul. I'll see you guys on the next one.